Hey guys, my name is Elijah, and in this tutorial I will show you how to work offline on your Google spreadsheet. So in Google Sheets, simply navigate to your main menu right here and then click on main menu. Go to settings and make sure that the offline settings are turned on. So you can see that you can create, open and edit your recent Google Docs files on this device while offline. So check this box, press OK, then simply select this and make the document available offline. Just like this. Now the document will be available to edit offline for you if you simply see this checkbox right here, available offline. You can also download the document, so open it up and click on File, then Download. So download it in the version that you want if you want to work on it offline in different editor. I would recommend Microsoft Excel, so choose this one, then simply choose where you want to download it, and I have downloads set to my downloads folder, so I have it right here. Thank you very much for watching. If this video was helpful to you, consider subscribing and liking this video, and I will see you in the next tutorial. Bye bye.